What's up to them back with our video. So guys, this time I'll be unboxing the Apex of a headband Apex. So yeah, let's be. Sorry guys, that was so weird. And I don't have a voice right now. If you could tell, because I was in cheering. Yeah. So anyways, let's see. You'll here it is. So I bought this once again from JJ Sports, and of course this is original. But yeah, let's just go ahead and check it out. I ordered this because like sweat is getting on my face and I couldn't really see anything that much. So oh, by looking at it, it's good at absorbing sweat. So yeah, maybe I should test it out first before I continue. But let's just try to read this for a while. Here said here it's good for wait camera there sweat absorption and then the anti hand sleeping. Oh, here the composition is very good. See right there, and then does it say here? There it's. Let me just read it. It says here that machine wash cold, do not bleach, line dry, do not iron, do not dry clean. Oh, okay. So there, those are the things you shouldn't do and should do. So for the should do is machine wash cold, do not bleach them, and then it says here line dry, then do not iron, then do not dry clean. So yeah, then you could visit the Apex website www.apexsports.com, and then it said here Apex headband durable materials for warmth and comfort. So I think I would sweat a lot of this because it's quite what do you call this, it's not quite breathable, but yeah, I'll just see and try it out. So you guys, so yeah, I'm gonna just cut it here and then I'll say what I can say about this wear thing, where I would say if it's good or bad, but I think it would do well because the sweat is the only thing that's covering my eyes and then my hair as well. So yeah guys, I'll be back. So I'll just review this maybe in a day or two, but this upload might take a month. I'm sorry guys, but yeah. So yeah, I'm back once again, by the way guys. So yeah, I'll cut it here for a while. See ya. So yeah, hey guys, I'm back. So finally, so far it's good, and then the cloth itself, it's doing great, but as you play with it, you would notice that there would be like these threads coming out. It's just simply burn those using a candle or maybe a lighter. Just burn it off. Don't ever cut it. Just burn it off, and then yeah. Based on my experience, once you've cut it off, it would just create another one, and then yeah, with care of like maybe a week or two, I think it's overall it's good. Also, it's very warm in the head. You could really feel it. It's also comfortable, but for me, it's a bit quite tight. But so far it's good though. It would help me see better. I mean, I could see my difference though when I played. I could now see better, and I don't need to swipe my sweat every time. So far it's good though, guys. I do recommend it. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned. And sorry again, once again, guys, for uploading so late. So yeah, I'll be doing a double upload, which I will be uploading this one and then my shuttlecock review, which is right here. So yeah guys, I did it in the same day, but yeah, double upload. Thank you so much guys for watching. Make sure to stay tuned. Don't forget to pray in your devotion, and as always, Ramses Doctor signing off.